we have two options that allow us to scan a QR code. The first one is accessible in Control Center or Quick Settings, and it is this button over here, this square with a line. And then you should be able to place the QR code within the frame over here, and then you might be able to scan it. However, for some reason, in my case, it doesn't work. So instead, we can also use the camera app. Over here in photo mode, you can just simply place the QR code within the frame, and when the QR code is detected, on the left side you should be able to find the QR code icon that allows you to check the link, and you can open the link in the browser or you can just copy it. And if the camera doesn't want to detect the QR code, you can check if the scanner is enabled. So you can tap on this arrow over here at the top and go to settings, and then in photo section make sure that scan QR codes option is enabled. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment and subscribe.